old or have a physical problem. So Caddyshack helps them until for the rest of their lives.
Caddyshack's a non-profit organization. This means it depends on the volunteers and donations to stay open. Due to major damage from Hurricane Matthew, they're still trying to buy things to recover what they lost. We're trying to spread out the word to tell people about Caddyshack and where it needs to provide its animals.
So our team came up with the idea to start an Instagram page to promote the awareness of Caddyshack and what Hurricane Matthew did to them. So we made a series of collages, such like this one, with the information that people need to know how to help Caddyshack, and pictures of animals who are currently living there.
We also decided to write new lyrics to a song that we all knew about and post it on YouTube, our Instagram account, and Caddyshack's Facebook page. The song is about the animals' needs, where to look online to donate, and to even look at their Amazon account to buy things that they would like to have. We asked Mr. Kurt from Caddyshack to come to our school and to tell us interesting facts about Caddyshack. So she said many interesting facts, but the main one was how to help them be profitable.
After we finished our song and our project, we went over to Caddyshack and sang our song to them and showed them our project. They gave us feedback on and other ideas that we might want to think about. Now we're proud that we helped the cats at the Caddyshack Refuge.
I'm Sriharsha from the Robotics team at RV Daniels. This is Debbie on this team. This is Shayla, Lila, Sriharsha, and Korea. So we're here at Caddyshack because we want Caddyshack to raise some donations to buy more open foods.
So this is what we did at Caddyshack. We sung the song that we made, and the Caddyshack people videotaped it, so they're not in it, and they posted it on their Facebook page. And right now it has over 1,700 views.
Oh yeah, it's worth it. Donate today. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Don't delay. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Pay the way. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Remember to say. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Don't delay. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Don't delay. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Pay the way. Oh yeah, it's worth it. Remember to say. Hashtag save animals. Our robotics team. We want you to see Caddyshack's in need. Help them be profitable. Donate if possible. There's a wish list on Amazon. Take a look whenever you're on. They need volunteers, students and peers to give their time so the cats can be fine. We're going to Caddyshack to adopt